Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting, outrageous toy review. Our guest Ryan brought with him a Warcraft III figure that we're going to take a look at.
This figure's really cool. It's Muradin Bronzebeard. He was the brother of Magni Bronzebeard, King of the Dwarves, and a really integral part of Warcraft III. He is a Dwarven warrior who wields an axe and a hammer. He's got lots of cool accessories, including his horned helm and skull backpack. Just super cool. After Warcraft 3, he disappears from the Warcraft universe, and we don't see him all the way until Wrath of the Lich King. Let's open him up and take a look inside. Here's Muradin Bronzebeard out of the package. This is a heavy figure. He's got his big bloody runed axe. He's got this huge warhammer here. He's got his horned helmet, and his luscious beard. He can move at the shoulders like this. He can move his wrists twist, so he can do all kinds of things with the axes and the hammers. He has his hips move like this, his boots rotate, and he can rotate at the torso too. He has way more articulation than the rest of the figures in the line. And I'm okay with that, because he's Muradin Bronzebeard. He's got some accessories. His helmet, his horned helmet, has a peg on it that comes on and off on his head. He's got the axe and hammer that we talked about before. And he's got a skull backpack. Look at these crazy boots. I'm going to show you the boots. Boots. Big metal boots. Muradin Bronzebeard, son of Magni Bronzebeard, gets lost in the Arctic for 5 years, but I'm okay with that, because we found him now. Yeah, look at the gash in the shoulder.
Yeah, that's cool.
Thanks for watching this super exciting, outrageous toy review. Check back for more videos, and make sure to like and subscribe.